Hello students, warm welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Made Easy by Aashish Gohel. Today we will be discussing about the very first great theorem of mathematics, that is Pythagoras theorem. We already know that if I draw any right angle triangle and if I name the sides as x, y, z, according to Pythagoras theorem, the equation will be like x square plus y square is equal to z square. This thing we already know. Now, what we are going to discuss today is how this formula came plus what is the physical interpretation of the same formation. And yes, one more thing, I will be giving you one interesting trick to remember the Pythagoras triplets. So stay tuned till end of the video lecture and let's get started with the method. We already know the formation for a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you don't know that how this formation came, then I have delivered one lecture on that too. The link will be given at the end of the video lecture. Now let us draw one line segment. If I put one point over here, the line segment will be divided into two parts, x and y. Let us draw one square. Now I will join the points such that this bigger square will be divided into 5 segments. Among that 5 segments, this inside small square is there, and at the corners 4 right angle triangles are there. This right angle triangle will be having hypotenuse as z. Now if I want to write down the area for bigger square, there are 2 ways to write down area for bigger square. One, we can directly square the length of the side. Another way is if I add all 5 segment areas. So let me write down the first area by squaring the side, x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. In another manner, if I want the area, then I will have to add all 5 segment area. The area of the small square is z square. The areas for the right angle triangle will be half base into altitude. But we need to multiply it with 4 as 4 triangles are there. Let me cut this 2. So the final formation will be z square plus 2xy. Now this a1 and a2 both are the areas for the same square. So let us compare both the areas. Z square plus 2xy is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. If I cancel 2xy, then I will get z square is equal to x square plus y square, and this is your formation for Pythagoras theorem. So this is the physical interpretation of the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Now let us discuss things about triplets. So the interesting trick is if I write down one triplet, then you will be able to write down infinitely many triplets from that. How is it possible? Say 3, 4, 5 is one triplet. If I put 3 square, 4 square, it will give you 5 square. Triplet means the 3 values which will satisfy this equation. Now, if I multiply this triplet with 2, so I will be getting 6, 8, 10. If I multiply this with 10, so 30, 40, 50. It is very interesting fact that if I multiply this 3 with any integer value, whatever numbers I am getting, that all will be also triplets for Pythagoras theorem. Isn't it so interesting? Yes. So you can do this thing for each and every triplet. You can do this for 5, 12, 13 also, and the triplets whatever you know. Yes. So if you like this video, then do share this video with your friends. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.